Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing well because I am doing very well. I'm so excited. I haven't been this excited in a long time, and I just want to make this little update video for you guys to share the news with you. And the big news is that I'm diving deep into FPV. So ever since I started flying drones, I have been really fascinated about FPV flying, but I've never thought I can do it myself. But recently I decided to get super motivated about learning to fly FPV, and I started sharing my FPV journey with you guys. I started flying on the simulator called Liftoff. I made a full episode on me flying on this simulator. Then I got my first FPV quadcopter, the Emax Tiny Hawk, which was a bit of a disaster, but I still get back to this drone. I'm trying to get better at flying that, but I went hard on the simulator once again because I really wanted to get better at controlling the drone and being able to really point it at a certain direction, make it go wherever I want it to go. And so far I'm happy with my progress. I have a lot more control when I'm closer to obstacles, and especially at lower speeds I am better at controlling the drone, which was one of my biggest problems before. So now I'm getting some good progress and I'm really happy with where I am right now. But of course I need to work a lot more to be completely happy with my skills. But I couldn't wait anymore. I just couldn't wait. I was thinking to wait until after the winter is done. So when the spring comes, I will be ready to fly. But I cannot do that. I just cannot do that. I'm so excited that I just want to make things happen quickly. And when you're that excited, I think you should just let everything else go and just focus on your goal and achieve it. So this morning I ordered the DJI FPV Fly More combo. This Fly More combo comes with the DJI FPV goggles, the remote controller, and an additional air unit and the camera. So in case, or actually when you crash, you will have a spare air unit and a camera, so you can replace it. So that's the first step of getting into FPV, the real thing. It's now very real. This package should come in about a week or something like that. So it's happening. It's definitely happening. And the next thing, of course, which I need to do is to order a drone, or at least the parts for it. And after watching many tutorials on YouTube on how to build your own DJI FPV quadcopter, I decided that I don't feel that comfortable with doing this thing myself as of right now. So I decided to go for pre-built quadcopters, and I came across Rotor Riot. If you're interested in FPV, I'm sure you're aware of Rotor Riot, and these guys are just amazing at what they do. And I really trust them to build my DJI FPV quadcopter. So on their website, they have a pre-built configuration for the DJI FPV system, and they offer a couple of different options when it comes to motors and different configurations for the air unit, the goggles, the receiver, everything. Since I ordered the DJI FPV Fly More combo, I don't really need the goggles and the remote controller. I only need the drone itself and the air unit. So that's what I'm planning to do. But they offer a couple of different options for motors, for example, for your build. And unfortunately, I'm not aware which selection is the best for me. So I asked them which motors would they recommend to me as a complete beginner, because I don't want to go for the fastest motors available. I don't want the drone to be extremely quick. I just want it to be controllable and a bit easier to fly for me as a beginner. So I'm waiting for their response. I also need to check out which batteries would be ideal for this specific build, what charger I need, and other accessories that I'm not aware of. I am completely new to this, so I'm really counting on them to help me out with this. But once I receive their answer, I'll be ready to order straight away, and the build takes between 7 or 10 days according to their website, and then the shipping is 3 or 4 or 5 more days. So roughly in 2 to 3 weeks I should start receiving some good packages in the mail, hopefully with some amazing FPV equipment there. So I'm really excited. I really wanted to share that information with you, as a lot of you are asking me about my FPV journey. So now it's official. It's happening. It's coming. And I couldn't be more excited about that. And I really want to make cinematic FPV videos. That's my biggest goal for 2020, to be honest. I want to get better and be able to produce some amazing looking footage. Of course, that doesn't mean that I'm going to step away from the regular drone scene. I will not stop flying my Mavic 2 Pro. I will get the Mavic Mini as soon as it comes out. You can count on me. I will not stop making regular drone videos. I will just add FPV as another tool in my arsenal. So after everything is said and done, and as soon as I have the drone in my hands, I will make a new video showing you the drone and everything about it. I will list all the parts that I'm using, and I'll just update you on the progress. And of course, I'll make my first flight video as well. But as of right now, I need to get back to the simulator because I have tons of work. So I can not crash every 10 seconds or so. But I'm really excited, and I just want to take a second to thank you once again for your support, because you have been simply amazing when it comes to supporting me recently, especially on the FPV journey. I'm really excited about that, as you can tell. So I just want to say thank you once again. I cannot wait to share more with you. It's coming soon. So thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from LUTs Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.